my name is Matt from Trotec Laser. Today I'm going to show you how to create a little Christmas joy with your Trotec laser machine. Let's get started. To begin, you will need the following items. Some 9mm MDF, which we will use as spacers, 4 sheets of 600 by 300 Trotec Solid wood, 3mm, 1 metre of LED lighting, white paint and glitter for decorating, some wood glue and a brush. We begin by one at a time, loading up each panel into job control and sending the design out to the laser engraver. Here we are using the Trotec Speedy 360. Once you've cut out the solid wood panels and the 9mm MDF spacers, the assembly begins. Start by first gluing the 9mm spacers onto each corresponding solid wood cutout and give them time to set. These 9mm spacers will give our scene some depth and are what we will be gluing the LED strip lighting to. Once the glue has dried, it's time to add a bit of Christmas flair to our design. I am using a snow textured paint from the local craft store to highlight where the snow might collect in the scene. As a final touch, add some white glitter glue to the painted surface. This will help reflect the LED lighting. Once the paint is all dry, we can start assembling our display. Layer by layer, starting from the back and working forwards. Make sure the panels are square at the bottom and allow time for the glue to set. Once the glue is set, we can install the LED strip lighting. One metre of lighting is enough to run across 2 rows, which will be more than enough to light the scene. And there you have it, a Christmas decoration which looks great by day and magical by night.